With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, in this question, the true or false against each of the following statements. Now, here some of the sentences are given in the question form, and this is the first ratio and the second ratio, and this is the proportionality of this ratio. We have to find that these two ratios are in the same or not. Means first of all, we just find the first quantity of the ratio and the second quantity of the ratio. If the ratio is same, then ratio statement is true, and if the ratio is not same, then the statement is false. Okay, so just remember this thing and just find the statement. The first question is 1624, the proportionality, the 20 ratio 30. So first of all, I'm just finding the 16 upon 24 is equal to 4 into 4 and 6. So that will be a 4 divided by 6, and that will become the 2 by 3. Now this is the first ratio. Now the second ratio is 20 by 30. So 0 0 will be cut, so that will become the 2 by 3. So here we just say that the ratio is same. The first statement is, the first question of the statement is true. So A is true statement. Now let's find for the B. So for the B, the question is, so 21 ratio 6. So 21 and the proportionality is 35 ratio 10. Okay, so first of all, first find the first quantity of the ratio. 21 divided by 6 is 7 to 3 divided by 2 into 3, the 3 cut, and that will become the 7 ratio 7 by 2, right? And the next ratio is 35 by 10, and 35 by 10 is nothing but the 5 into 7 and 5 into 2. So 5 is cut here, and just remaining is 7 by 2. Here again this ratio in the same, right? 7 by 2, 7 by 2. So again the condition is fulfilled, and the answer is true for the option B. Okay, now the option C, we just found that. For that, what is the question for the option C? The option C is talking about 12 ratio 18 proportionality of 28 ratio 12. So 12 18, so just 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 3 will cut, so remaining is 2 by 3. Now the second ratio is 28 divided by 12. 7 into 4 is 28, and 4 into 3 is 28. 4 cancel. So here the ratio is not same, because here 7 by 3 and here is 2 by 3. The ratio is not the same for both the cases. So here ratio is not the same, so the answer is false for the option C. Okay, now just come to the option question D. So what's talking about the question D is that there is a ratio 8 and 9, the proportionality of 24 ratio 24:7, right? 24 ratio 27, and after that you have to just write 8 by 9 as it is. This is the ratio. Now the second is 24 ratio 27. So 24 divided by 27 gives the answer 8 by 9, right? So here the ratio is on the same page, right? So here the option D is true for the statement, right? Now the option E. The question is talking about 5.2 in the ratio 3.9 and the proportionality 3:4. Now here there is the point, that is a sum changes 5.2 in the ratio of 3.9. So there is a simple thing, that's 52 is a 10 into 39 to 10, right? The 10 will cut. Now 52 is 13 into 4 and 39 is 13 into 3. So the ratio of the final is 4:3. Now here we know that this ratio is 3/4. So again this ratio is not the same, and this is the 4/3 ratio and this is a 3/4 ratio. So this is not the same ratio. So again for the not the same ratio, this is the false for the option A. Okay, or now the final question is question F. So last question of question F is 0.9, the ratio of 0.36 in the proportionality of 10:4. Now in the last is 0.9 in the ratio of 0.36. Here we have to just careful, because here just 9 divided by 10 to 36 divided by 100, right? So you just cut the 1 0 and remaining the 10 divided by 4, right? And that will become the 5/2 at the end. And in the second side, so in the second ratio, that will become the 10/4, right? So the 10/4, and it will become the 5/2. So both the cases, that will be the same ratio, both the side. So this is the true for option F. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.